right, so we are back to show you another video on our client portal. All right, so this video is going to be about, once you're in the portal, how you can schedule an appointment. So let's keep it really simple. So we're on our website here, okay? This is one of the many ways you can access the portal, but just say you access it through the website. We're going to go to client portal link here at www.bakerstaxservice.com. Once we're here, we're going to access Ms. Janet Jackson's we're going to access her portal, okay? So Miss Jackson, if you're nasty, her portal is all right. And so now that we've gotten into her portal, we need to actually change her portal, or her password, I'm sorry. So we need to update that. So let's update her password to a password that fits their criteria. All right. And it'll let you know what that criteria is once you're in it. And we want to update it. So say yes here. All right. All right. And so once you are, once you've updated everything, we're going to go over to our menu. All right. We're going to select schedule my appointment. And when you're at this page, okay, this is what you're going to do first. You're going to skip the schedule my appointment part, right? You're going to go straight to reading. And reading is fundamental, people. Okay. So we want you to read this because we want you to get this scheduling correct, and it's going to help us and you. And one thing important to note is that you cannot schedule an appointment within 7 days of your desired appointment time, okay? So you have to schedule at least 7 days out, and that gives us time and you time to gather your documents, get them to us time to enter your data, us time to review your data, and make sure that you're good to go when it's time for us to meet with you. So we're just allowing some time here, all right? And so please, adhere to that. However, if there's some extenuating circumstance and you must meet with us sooner, or something else is going on, give the office a call, because you will not be able to go on here and schedule anything within the next 7 days. All right. So let's continue reading. You can schedule a virtual appointment or an in-office appointment, but note that our in-office appointments are abbreviated this year. We're really only taking in-office appointments on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays only. All of the other days, including Tuesday, Wednesday, and Saturday, are for virtual appointments only. All right. So, and that would be either Zoom or conference call, or on the phone. So they can be a remote appointment. It just cannot be in the office if it's not Tuesday, Wednesday, or Saturday. Okay. So we want you to schedule your individual tax appointments. Those appointments should be 30 minutes. Those appointments should be 30 minutes per every two people in your household, okay? So if there are, yourself and your husband, that can be 30 minutes. But if you're talking about yourself, your husband, and your two dependent kids who are working and both have W-2s and potentially cake baking jobs and several dependents, then we need another appointment for them, okay? So we're going to do 2 30-minute appointments in that instance. All right. And then we have a business. All right. So if that business is a Schedule C, or it's a farm, or it's a rental property, or several rental properties, or it's a multiple member LLC, or a corporation, or an S corp, those appointments need to be separate, and each one of those appointments is going to be 30 minutes. All right. So we're going to do your individual appointment. That's 30 minutes, but we're also going to schedule a time for your business. If you don't know whether or not you have a business, give us a call. We can help talk you through that. But if you think you have a business and you're pretty confident about that, then please schedule 2 30-minute appointments. One for yourself. The other one could be for yourself, but it will put it in the notes. It is for your business. If you're doing several years, which is not also uncommon, you want to do 2 appointments per year. 2 appointments, 2 years per every 30 minutes. I'm sorry. It's a little confusing for me. So I can only imagine how confusing it is for you. So that is 2 years per every 30-minute appointment. So if you're doing 4 years, guess what? That's 1 hour. All right. So that means you need to schedule 2 30-minute appointments. And the reason why it's a little convoluted is because this system, although it is great, it will only allow for us to do 30-minute increments. All right. It will only allow for you to do 30-minute increments. But some people definitely require more than 30 minutes. If for some reason you schedule 30 minutes and it's not enough and we know it, we will adjust your appointment accordingly. If for some reason you scheduled too much time and we see that that doesn't fit your situation, then we will reduce your appointment, but we'll, reach out to you and let you know what's happening. All right. We are not open on Sundays. We are not open on Mondays. So please do not schedule for those times. So let's go ahead and move along and schedule this appointment. Okay. So Miss Jackson, we're going to schedule her for a Friday. That's going to be February the 3rd. We're going to schedule with myself, Mrs. Fauntleroy. You can view my availability schedule. All right. So clicking on that shows you what days and times I still have available on this schedule. You cannot click from here, but it will show you what the availability is, and you can have to go back into the appointment scheduler and choose the time that works for you. All right. So on the 3rd, we have these remaining times. In Miss Jackson's case, she's going to do a personal return and a business return. So we're going to go ahead and do her at 1 o'clock. And this appointment type is going to be an individual virtual appointment, because why? On Fridays, we don't do in-office appointments. So that is going to be a virtual appointment. She's going to put in her contact phone number. And when you put in this number, just know this is the number that you're going to receive your appointment confirmation to. All right. And, we can communicate with this number in here via text. So this is going to be for your individual tax prep. And any other note you want to put in there, feel free to do so. We're going to go ahead and schedule this. Are we sure we want to schedule this appointment? Yes, we are sure. Soon after, we will receive an email confirmation and a text message just saying that appointment was scheduled. All right. And so now that we have scheduled our first appointment, we're going to go in and schedule the second appointment. Okay. And we just got our email confirmation. So we're going to go ahead and schedule our second appointment. And that second appointment is going to be on the same day with the same person. All right. And we're going to do February 3rd. And we're going to view this time, and you'll notice 1 o'clock is gone because we've already given Miss Jackson the 1 o'clock, and she's going to go ahead and take that 1:30 because it's immediately following. And then we're going to select the business tax preparation virtual. All right. So it's going to be a virtual appointment because, again, it's on a virtual day. All right, so contact number remains the same, contact email remains the same, but we're going to put in the note that it is for business tax preparation. And we're going to go ahead and schedule this because everything looks just fine, right? Schedule the appointment. It's done. So, easy peasy. Please read the directions. If you've done that, you should be home free. However, there may be some questions, very understandably. So give us a call, 202-563-7640 with any of those questions, or you can even shoot us an email, okay? But either way, we'll help you walk through this process. But we hope this works well for you, and we look forward to seeing you.